In this video, we will discuss about some basic functions given in PowerPoint. As we know, when we enter in PowerPoint, we get the default slide, but we can add slide, delete slide according to our requirement. So now we are starting with insert new slide, or we can press Ctrl M to insert new slide. Now we have 3 slides in our presentation. First we will do the work on the first slide. First we are giving the title of our presentation as sports. We can place it everywhere on the slide like we are placing here. Now we will select the text and change the color of selected text, writing size, font style. Now font style, like we have selected this. Now we will arrange this box on the right side to add some points related to the topic. First we are inserting clip art. Insert clip art, insert picture. First we are using this option, this device. I have some pictures on my desktop, so I am using this option, this device. Select desktop because I have my folder on the desktop. This is my folder, picture folder. First I open this and I will select the picture from my folder. I can place it anywhere in my slide. And now I will write some text, or we can say write some points about sports. But this is center alignment, so we are selecting the left alignment. Write your first point about your topic. You will write your first point. Write second point. Now we are selecting the text and go to the home, and I want to change the color of my text and size. I am decreasing the size. Now I will insert background. And if I want to display the bullets in front of every line, then first we have to select the text and click on this button. Now bullets are displayed in front of every line. Okay, now I am inserting background. So we go to the design. First we are using this option, format background. We are selecting. If we select this, it will display the background color in solids. It will insert single color background like this. And if we use this, then this is a mixture of 2 colors. Then it will display like this. These are different types of backgrounds we can select from here also. Pattern fill we can select from here. So we are selecting this background. And now we will work on the second slide. Second slide, we can give our title at this place, but now I am deleting this space by clicking on center and on the corner and press delete key. In this on this slide we will use different options to do the same. Like if we want to insert the title of the slide, then we will not use the text box. I will use insert word art. By using this option we can also give our title name. I place it here. And I place this box here. And first I will insert picture. We have already used this option, this device. Now I am using this option online. It means we are using the internet. If we want to find some picture, if we want to search some picture on the internet, then we use online pictures. These are the different categories. From here we can search our clip art. So now I am typing the category sports. I want clip art related to the sports. I am selecting this and this. Now I place the clip art here. Now if I want to insert, now I will insert background on this slide. So we are using this option design. First we have already used this option. So now I am using this option. First we will select the background which I want to apply on my slide. I am selecting this. If I will click on this option, the background of all slides will be the same. So we right mouse click on the selected slide of the selected pattern, and if we click on apply to all slides, then the same background will be applied to all slides. And if we select this apply to selected slide, it means the background will be applied to the selected slide. So we are selecting this. Now you can see the background of this slide is different and it has different background. We can rearrange the slide by dragging it. We can delete the slide. And if you want to insert shapes, you can also insert the shape here. Right mouse click on the shape. You can format shape. No fill. It means it will clear the background of this shape. We can write in this shape. Right mouse click. New comment, new background, format background. We can use these options related to the picture, but we always get so now I am deleting this shape. I will insert another shape. Now I will insert shapes. Now I am again inserting this option, and if we click right mouse button inside the picture, and if we click on this option, we can write inside the picture like this. You can add your text like this. You can align your text from center, left, right. You can write, and okay, we can write our text like this. and we have many options to align our text. We can give the line spacing, and we can set the alignment and horizontal, rotate text in 90 degree. We can use any of the option, but to get the effect of this, first we have to select our text. Now it's time to save our file. Save our file. So we always use save, but now I am using save as because I have already saved my file presentation. So I am using save as. Now here, by default, the place which I have selected is desktop. Here I will give my file name P1 or PP1. Now I can see my presentation on the desktop PP1. This is my presentation, and we press F5 for the slideshow. Click here and press F5 for slideshow. Okay, thank you.